Good day everyone. Today we will not talk about this equipment, but about Radiomaster equipment in general, and about what to do if you need to mute the sound because you have a child or don't want to disturb your roommates or someone else.
Ласкаво просимо до HTX.
With such sounds, and it constantly beeps when you press something. So what do? We go in, press sit. We have the first menu written here, and we scroll the page once, twice, and here we have the third menu, and here we have sound. We turn this lever and move down to the opposite of mode. Press this lever, it started blinking, and we begin to turn it to the left. And there is quiet, so we select it, and now by pressing return, your quark, we exit from here, and whatever you press, it always behaves quietly.
Use it. That's all from me. I'm off.